Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen. So once again, and this will show you all the toggles. Now we have a couple pages, so we can swipe to the left to see the second page. Obviously, we're looking for power saving toggle, which is right here for me. This is the default location of the toggle, so hopefully you can find yours in the same place. From there, simply tap on it. It gets enabled, and there is honestly no visual indication to it for some reason. Oh no, there it is. So you have this little battery indication. But yeah, that's how you enable it. Now, that being said, there might be a couple things happening in the background, meaning your Wi-Fi might be turned off after a certain period of inactivity. So because of that, you will probably experience delay in mail fetching and notifications. If you do experience such a thing, this is the power saving mode doing basically its job. Now, once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and there we go. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.